going to be connecting the Wi-Fi smart floodlight to the SmartLife app. You can see it flashing there in the background. The flashing lets you know it's ready to connect. It's waiting for connection. So we're going to go into the app and we're going to click the plus button. And your app may look a little different than my app depending on what you're using. And I'm going to point this down because that flashing is going to drive me and you both crazy. Your app may look a little bit different depending on the version of the app you're using, but you click the plus button and then you go to light bulb. Even though technically this is a full light, you do go to light, and then it tells you confirm the light is blinking rapidly. Shows you what it's supposed to be doing, and of course it is, so we're going to confirm that. And then it's going to ask you to enter your password for your internet connection. So you're going to click that and you're going to enter your password for your internet connection. It will then warn you that this only connects to 2.4 gigahertz, which most smart Wi-Fi devices do. They don't connect to 5 gigahertz, so letting you know, make sure this is a 2.4 gigahertz, and then you'll click the continue button. And then it's going to go through the process of trying to connect to the device and send your Wi-Fi information to the device. I can see my device has stopped blinking, so that is usually a good sign that it's working. You can see in the background there, it stopped blinking. Usually that means that it is making a connection, and there you go. Adding device. It recognizes it as a smart light. So you can click that edit button and then rename this. So I'm going to rename it to colorful. No, that's going to be too long. I'll just call it Floodlight 1 and save. And then click the done button down on the bottom there. So now we are inside of the Floodlight 1, and you can see I can control that temperature, and you can see in the background it changes. It's the white, this is more of the warm, this is more of the cool. But then you can also go to color, and you can change colors. You can change the brightness level, so you can dim it and brighten it. You can also change contrast, so how colorful it is, but then you can change it to any of these colors. So basically any color of the rainbow, green, more of an orange, red, purple, blue, light blue, green. And again, within each one of those, you can control how bright or dim you want it to be, as well as the contrast, so how much white is mixed with that color. You can also set up schedules or timer. You can turn on or off. You can create various scenes as well, which go through different things. So, for example, if you set dazzling, now it's going to go through different colors. So you have different scenes that you can have so that it's mixing it up and changing the colors throughout the time. And you can edit these, so you can change the colors that it's going through. You can customize this to exactly the colors you want and the speed that you want it to go and the way that you want it to switch. So lots of different stuff inside the app that you can change to make this light work exactly the way that you want it to work and have the effects that you want it to have. Very advanced floodlight with lots of capabilities inside the SmartLife app to do all kinds of really cool stuff. Now, if you want to be able to control your floodlight, your smart Wi-Fi floodlight with Alexa, it's pretty easy. After you've got the floodlight connected to the SmartLife app, you just go into the Amazon Alexa app on your phone, and you go to more down here, and you go to skills and games, and you'll see your skills. If you've used it to add skills before, you'll be familiar with this. And you can just search for the SmartLife. So I'm just going to type in SmartLife, and you can see there it is right there. So I click SmartLife, and now mine's already enabled. If it wasn't, then you would see a button for Enable Skill. You click that, you log in to the account, the SmartLife account you created when you first set these up, or if you've already had the SmartLife app for a while. Now, if you already have it, and you don't need to worry about it, like I already have it. So anytime you add something to SmartLife, it automatically gets added into Alexa. So if I go to actually, let me go back. If I go to all devices, then somewhere over here in this list, you'll see there's Floodlight 1. So added it to SmartLife, and it immediately shows up here and is controllable through any Echo device because I've connected the SmartLife skill. But that's how easy it is to connect it up to your Echo devices so that you can control it that way.